Hello YouTubers and Forex traders. I hope you are all well. It's super sunny here today in England. So today I want to start a mini series basically entitled Forex for Beginners. This is going to be part 1, and I'm going to go through some basics with you just to get you started and to help you understand what you need to do first of all when you start trading Forex. It's easy to just jump in on a demo account or a live account and thinking that you've cracked it just by guesswork. To trade Forex, it's far from guesswork. If that's what you think Forex trading really is, then you're mistaken. Another thing that you don't want to do when you first start trading Forex is feeling like the market is going to go up or down. It's not about, Forex trading isn't about how you feel. Forex trading is about facts and what you can see on the chart. This Forex trading for beginners is aimed really at just anyone who's either beginning or who's struggling with their trading. So what we're going to do now is go over to the charts, and I'm just going to highlight 1 or 2 basic things today just to get you started and give you a couple of things that you can practice on. So let's go over to the charts and I'll show you exactly what I mean. So here on my computer is a typical MT4 chart. This is of the pound USD on the 1 hour. So bearing in mind then that this is a video for Forex trading, and particularly for beginners. For those who are quite experienced, you'll have to just excuse 1 or 2 of these steps, and keep in mind that there are many people who are new to Forex trading, and particularly to trading on a computer, which is what I'm focusing on in this video. Maybe in the next video we'll take a look at the MT4 app for Android and walk you through some of the steps on that. But for the moment then, this is the MT4 platform, which you can download from a broker, a Forex broker. That's quite easy to do. We will go through some good brokers that you could use in another video. But for the moment, if you were to Google a Forex broker, you would go to their website and you can download the MT4 app from there. So for example, you might use AVA, you might use ava.com or xm.com. Just a couple of examples where you can go to the website and sign up for a demo account or a live account, and you can download the MT4 app for PC or for Mac. In fact, I believe you can even download the mobile apps from their websites as well. So you have to keep in mind, first of all, then, that MT4 is a trading app for the computer and your phone. You can download the app from a broker, and the broker uses this app on a demo or a live account for you to trade. So, for example, on a live account, you will deposit money with the broker, and you use the app in order to place your trades. Once you've downloaded the app and installed it on your computer, you can go here to Market Watch and click the button, and here you have a list of all the currency pairs that your broker will allow you to trade. And if you scroll down this list, well, first of all, the ones here in yellow are what you might call the major pairs. So you've got Euro USD, GBP USD, USD CAD, etc., USD JPY. And then as you go down, you've got still many well-known ones here. But as you come further down, you'll notice that some of these are what you call exotic pairs. On these pairs, you'll find the spread on these exotic pairs are usually very large, and most people, well, certainly I would, stay away from them, particularly if you're just starting out. As you scroll down here, you'll get to gold. XAU, USD is gold. And as you go down further, you've got, again, US 500. You've got some Bitcoin that you can trade on this particular broker. And then as you scroll down even further, look, you can trade wheat, corn, sugar. I mean, the list is quite extensive. Oil here. And of course you can trade gold and silver as well. So this is where you'll find the list of all the things that your particular broker will allow you to trade. So I would suggest, as a new trader, that you stick with just one or two charts, maybe the Euro USD or the Pound USD. Don't open up multiple charts, don't open up 5 or 10 charts. Just focus on 1 or 2 at the most, and just get used to opening and closing a trade, which leads to the next point: how to open a trade. So there are several ways to do it, but the way I like to do it is just to right click on the mouse. You can go to one-click trading, and here you can select the size of the trade that you want, and you can simply sell or buy when you feel that the time is right. So we can right click and click one-click trading again, and of course that disappears. The other options you have on the MT4 platform is the time frame. It goes from 1 minute up to 1 month. People usually trade no higher than the daily, but they use the weekly or monthly as a large overview of what's going on. So if I click monthly here, you'll see that the chart still looks similar. You've still got the candlesticks, but in this case, each candlestick represents 1 month. So this is currently through, this candlestick here is currently painting. It's the month of June 2021. But these candles here, so that would have been May here. This would have been April, and so on and so on. We can come down in time frame to weekly, here daily, which means each candlestick represents a day. It's quite straightforward, but it's just worth mentioning this so that you're not confused in any way. And you can also change the look of the candlesticks. So up here, you can change it to a bar chart, and you can change it to a line chart. And there are various different reasons why you would want to make your chart look like this. Sometimes people like it so that they can easily plot the highs and lows like that. And then when you turn back to candlesticks, it looks very different, doesn't it? But people like line charts because they can plot their graphs nice and easily. But as I say, people want to make the look of the candlesticks different to suit their own style of trading. So as a trader then, you need to establish the time frame that you like to trade on. I would recommend just sticking to 1 or 2 charts as you learn how to trade, and of course as you learn the patterns that you can see in the candlesticks. I would suggest that you start on a demo account rather than going live, and the 1 or 2 charts that you do use, I would recommend sticking to the popular pairs of the Euro USD or the Pound USD. In the next video, we'll look at how to create your own strategy, and why this is so important. So I hope you enjoyed this brief video. I'm literally just going through some of the very, very basic things that you need to understand when you start trading Forex. There is so much to learn, and I just encourage you not to rush through anything. Just take your time, become familiar with the MT4 platform. As I say, open a demo account and just play around. You're not going to then lose any money. You're not going to break anything. You can just play around and become familiar with the MT4 platform. So I hope you like this video. As I say, in the next video we'll talk about building a strategy and why this is so important. And in videos to come, we'll also be looking at the MT5 platform and looking at the differences between MT4 and MT5 and which one you feel might be best to trade on. So thank you for watching. Until the next video, take care, and I'll see you all soon.